Unfortunately, the answer seems to be yes. I have been using POCO F7 for like 2 weeks or so, and I have experienced overheating issues quite a bit, especially of course at the beginning when I started using the phone, but that can be quite usual. But after some time I still can experience overheating issues, especially for example if you use the camera for quite a bit of time, or if you play lots of games, etc. The phone gets really hot. Sometimes it's even hard to hold the phone in hands. Unfortunately, this can be due to the build that we have at the back of the phone, or maybe it's just really that hot. I checked the temperature by using some third-party apps, and the temperature was also pretty high. It was over 45 degrees, 46, even 47 at certain in certain situations. So yeah, unfortunately, you will probably experience overheating issues. They can be solved in the future by POCO if they provide some updates, but I would say that you have to probably expect the phone to overheat from time to time if you perform some heavy tasks for the phone. Thanks for watching. Check out this playlist to find more guides. Like, comment, and subscribe.